Good morning, Irene.
I'm fine, ma'am.
You're fine? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Irene, for saying that. I'm fine too. Okay. Wants to play? Wants to play on birthday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Today leave him. Today leave him.
Okay, sir.
Bro, bye, bro.
Okay, sir. Tejas, we are going to wish you for your birthday. You can leave after that. Okay? We all will play. We all wish you. Then you can leave. 5 minutes. Okay? Okay. Come on, Rohita. Rohita will say Kitsi anthem. Please unmute. Please unmute, Rohita.
Yes.
Come on, everybody. Please close your eyes.
Start.
Rohita, you're going to listen to me and then repeat after me.
Yes.
Rohita, listen. You're going to listen to me and repeat after me.
Good
Please
morning,
wait.
Dada,
Good morning, Sailesh. Kitsi anthem.
ma'am.
You are within me.
చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు
You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight.
You define me,
You define me.
my potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today,
Today I pledge
with all my mind,
with all my might.
I shall achieve you,
I shall achieve you.
my potential inside.
My potential inside. Okay, thank you, Rohita. Big good morning to all of you. Okay, welcome back on a fresh. Good morning. Yes, good morning on a fresh Monday morning. Yes, good morning, Devfish.
Good morning.
Good morning, Naitik. Naitik, where is your uniform, Naitik? Next on Wednesday. On Wednesday, positively, I want all of you to come in uniform. Okay? Yes. What are you going to do with that uniform? When you go to first standard, the uniform is not going to be used. So please wear the new uniform. Come fresh to the class. Okay? Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dikshan. Okay, our friend Tejas is celebrating birthday today. It's his birthday, so we are all going to wish Tejas for his birthday. Ready? Let me just check, confirm if he's there. He left. Okay. So no point. I think he has left Tejas. Okay, so now Rohita, Devarakshita, ready for the talk time?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Please give a big round of clap for Devarakshita before she starts. Okay. You want to say about? Come on, we're waiting to hear from you.
My God.
Devarakshita?
I'm Darajitaba. I'm Darajita.
You are Devarakshita, okay. What's the name of your school?
Good morning, Dada ma'am.
Good morning, Kaviyarini.
Good morning,
Okay.
Dada
Good morning, Naitik.
ma'am.
Which class are you studying? Are you studying in junior KG or senior KG? Senior KG.
Minus Vicky Darajita.
Okay.
5
You are 5 years old.
Yes. Say loudly.
Like.
I like watching TV.
Tell.
Watching TV.
You like
I like cartoon and my favorite Sophia.
Wow, you like watching TV? You like watching cartoon characters on TV? Your favorite character is Sophia. Sophia the princess.
Yes.
Yes, I love that character too. I like Sophia. What color dress Sophia usually wear? Does she wear a black color dress?
Purple color.
Ah, Sophia wears a purple color dress. Very good, Rohit. Devarakshita. Anything else?
Like pain. Say loudly.
I like pain.
Hello, friends.
I like friends.
I want to be a doctor.
I want doctor.
Okay, you like friends. You want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Okay, what will the doctor do? Devarakshita, what will the doctor do?
Check
Check up, then
English.
Injection.
oh yeah, injection. Will it pain if he gives injection? Will it pain?
Pain or not?
Malikuma?
Pain.
Yeah, it will pain. How can you check? I am the patient. You are the doctor. Can you check me? Can you check me? How will you check?
How do
How will
you
you
check it? Sure. Do it, ma'am.
Check it for me.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth. Okay.
Breathing.
Okay, you check for yourself. Okay. Am I fine? Am I healthy?
Yes.
Am I healthy?
Want to selfie or not?
Healthy.
Okay. Thank you, Devaraksh. That was really wonderful. Purple star, your favorite Sophia
morning,
dress. Star
ma'am.
purple. Good morning, Karthikeyan.
Thank you.
Very good. Can you all give a big rocket clap for Devarakshita? Very nice, Devarakshita. I have seen a very good transition. Very nice. You were good. Very good, Devarakshita. Thank you. We learned a lot about you today. So I got to know that Devarakshita likes Sophia. She watches TV. She wants to become a doctor. She's studying in Kidzi. She's in senior KG. She is 5 years old. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now let's start the warm up. Ready? Please stand up. Naitik, can you count the reverse counting from 10, 9, 8, 7, Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, dear.
I will sit Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sailesh.
I will sit and do. I am not well.
Yes. No, those who are not well, no problem. You don't have to trouble yourself. You can sit, okay?
But I will go to the doctor and the class. After the class.
You're going to meet the doctor today after the class. Take care, Sailesh.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Farnas.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you, Farnas. Let's start. Come on.
I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
Ma'am, I didn't count.
Hello? Yeah, hello. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Naitik, I was not able to hear you, Naitik. Come on, count now.
Count ചെയ്തോ?
10,
9,
9,
8,
3,
8,
8, 7,
6,
6,
പറ.
6, 5,
Sure.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Thank you, Naitik. Okay, as I was not able to hear, I just played the song. Sorry, Naitik. Okay, so let's start with attendance. Ready? Aidan? Devarakshita?
I'm sorry, here I am.
Sorry, here I am.
Okay, Aidan. Okay. Yes, good, Devarakshita. Devkrish?
Here I am. Roll,
Oh.
down.
Okay, Devkrish. Dhanvan?
Here I am, Dadama. Yo, yo.
Okay. Dikshan?
Roll, back.
Okay. Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo, yo.
Okay. Dhruv?
The mouse is absent today.
Okay, the most absent today. Farnas?
Yes.
Here I
Here
am.
I am, Dadama.
Okay. Ashini?
Here I am, rolly up. Here I am, rolly down.
Good, Ashini. Iron?
Here I am, yo.
Okay, very good. Janavi?
I am
Janavi?
yo, ma'am.
Okay, Janavi. Karthikeyan?
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly up.
Very good, Karthikeyan. So, Karthikeyan, you had a nice time at your grandma's place?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. You enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay. What did you do?
Playing.
Playing. With whom did you play?
With whom?
With whom?
Cousin.
Cousin. Not cousins.
Hmm.
Mother. Grandmother.
You played with your
Grandmother.
Okay, very nice. Okay. Kavyarini?
Here I am, man. Rolly poly up.
Okay.
Very
Nice.
poly.
Okay, Kavyarini. Yes, Naitik.
Here I am, man. Rolly up.
Okay. Neha?
Here I am. Yo.
Good, Neha. Nitila?
The mouse is absent today.
Oh my God. Mouse is absent today. Nukshita?
Here I am, ma'am. Today.
Very good, Nukshita. Prajesh?
Mouse is absent today. Mouse
Mouse is absent today. Okay. Pranita? Aiden, please take the pencil out of your mouth, Aiden. Pranita?
Here I am. Yo.
Good, Pranita. Rohita?
Here I am. Yo.
Good, Rohita. Satvika?
Here I am.
Good, Satvika. Sailesh?
Here I am. Yo.
Okay, Sailesh. Siddharth?
Here I am, yo-yo.
Okay, Siddharth. Tejas went. Okay. Tarnika.
Here I am, hooray.
Okay, Tarnika. Vihan. Vihan.
Here I am, hooray.
Okay, Vihan. Vishank.
Here I am, roll up, roll down, roll straight, roll up.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Vishank. Good morning, Vishank. Vivan.
Here I am. What is that today?
Zedi.
Here I am, ma'am. Roll up, roll down, up.
Okay, thank you, Zedi. Wow, nice. Everybody done with the attendance. Very nice. Okay, so before we start reading, I want to check something. So, regarding homework, I have not got many of your homeworks. One, the name. I was asking you to write the name of your family members in cursive letters. Okay, I got only couple. I can say only 5 to 6 names. What about others? Why you didn't write? Can you please write it and send it me by Wednesday? Today is Monday.
Not well, I will send you today.
Yes, those who are not well, excused always. No problem. Okay. But others, those who are well and you can write.
I'm sending today, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes, so you're going to write your family member. Yes, those who have sent it, very good. This, I'm going to do a heart clap. This heart clap is for those who listen to me, remembered it and send me the names. Okay. For those who haven't sent it, you send it me by Wednesday. I'll give a heart clap for you. Okay. Second, regarding the spray painting. What about spray painting? You didn't do that. That day you all said, ma'am, we will do, and you left the class. What about that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Janavi, what do you want to say? Heart clap.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that. Janavi sent me the name, so that heart clap is for Janavi. Okay, so spray painting, children, if you don't have the stencil cutting also, just keep any paper or just keep any scale on the paper, do a spray painting so that you will use scale impression. Okay, so try doing using any model, keep it on the paper, just do a spray painting. Okay, try whenever you're free. Okay, you don't even send it me immediately, but try, and if you are able to do it, send me the photos. That was a craft time, right? It's been long time since we did a craft time. It's an easy craft. So try that at home. Any issues in doing that craft? Anybody face any issues? Just stay. We can talk at the end. Okay? That one thing. So next thing we are going to do is reading part. Let's spin the wheel and see who is going to read. Okay, I have got few animal names here. Okay, so let's practice these. Yay! Come on, Sadie, we'll read. Very good. The next one. Your video is stuck. Cat. Rat. Okay, let me move on to somebody. Cat, Zedi. Thank you. Okay, Prajesh is absent. Zedi, the next word.
Next one, Zedi.
Very good.
Dog.
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 Then G. Dog.
Og.
So dog.
Dog.
Very good. So the first one is rat, at. Second one is cat. Next one is dog. Okay. Good. Very good, Zaidi.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
சரி அழகா சொல்லு.
Nega.
Neha. Good. Come on, Neha. The next one.
C. Pepper.
Hmm.
I. D.
ம்
Piggy.
Pig.
என்னது
The
pig
pig.
Pig. Don't ask anybody's help. Say I will read by myself. Don't get anybody's help. Pig.
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 Next one.
Y. A. K.
What is sound of Y?
ம் சொல்லு
Is it W sound or Y sound? Vishan, can you listen here, Vishan? What is sound of Y? Neha.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is sound of A? Apple. Yeah. A. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is sound of K? What is sound of K? Yak.
ம் சொல்லு
Yak.
Yak.
Y-A-K. Yak. Yak.
Yak.
Okay. Nukshita. Thank you, Neha. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the last one, Nukshita?
M.
What is the last letter?
V.
L.
F.
Mm.
B.
First join this L-A. L-A. L-A.
La.
La. Okay. B.
B. B.
Okay. La. Lamb. Okay. So let's all read. Very good, Nukshita. Let's all read one more time. Rat. Cat. Dog. Pig. G sound is G. Pig. Yeah. Sound of Y is, we have not read many words with Y. Sound of Y is Y. As in yo-yo. As in yogurt. As in yacht. Yellow. Yeah. Sound of Y is Y. Yak. The last one, lamb. What are all these? Are all these wild animals? Siddharth, are all these wild animals? Farm animals, domestic animals. Okay. Good, very good. So last class, what did we revise? Can anybody help me? I don't remember. What did we learn in the last class? Pranita, we learned about animals and their families. Animals and their babies, correct? Pranita, what did we... Okay, Rohita, what do you want to say, Rohita?
రోహిత అంటున్నారు.
You've unmuted. What do you want to say?
Animal and baby.
Animals and babies. Okay.
She says all that, ma'am. But you don't call Rohita and ma'am. That way she crying.
Rohita, last week we got a chance. Spinning the wheel, only 2 people will get, not everybody. Then we cannot complete the whole class. Okay? Last week you got a chance for reading, right? You read wonderfully last week. Okay, Rohita? Okay, let's. Pranita, can you tell me, Pranita?
Brother, ma'am.
Good morning, Prajesh.
I was bit late.
Yes,
Sorry,
very
ma'am.
late.
I was bit late.
Okay, Prajesh. Excused. Pranita, can you tell me, Pranita? Animal and the babies. Do you remember? What is the baby name for elephant? Pranita, what is the baby name for elephant? Huh? Cub. Dhanvan, is that correct? Baby of elephant is called cub.
No.
What is the baby of elephant is called?
Calf.
Calf. Good. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the baby of lion called as?
Cub.
Cub. Farnas, what is the baby of tiger called as?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, baby of tiger is also called as cub. What is the baby tiger called as?
Cub.
Cub. Okay. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the baby of kangaroo called as?
Johi.
Very good. Dev Krish. What is the baby of deer called as? Deer.
Fawn.
Fawn. Wonderful. Vishal. Vishal, what is the baby of dog called as?
Dog.
Dog.
Dog or a
Baby
name?
dog. Baby dog. Baby dog.
Puppy.
Puppy. Good. Vihan.
Mitten. Mitten.
Baby of cat called as?
Mummy, mum. Mitten.
Kitten. Kitten.
Kitten.
Can you say one more time?
చూడక kitten.
Kitten.
బేబీ cat ఏమంటారు? కిటెన్ చెప్పాలి.
Kitten. Feeling sleepy?
చెప్పక్కడ.
Kitten.
Kitten. Okay. So let's start with the rhyme. Can everybody stay on mute? Diction. Please unmute Diction.
Yes, ma'am.
I like my pencil.
I like my pencil.
I like my pencil. Can you please repeat Diction?
My pencil.
But it's blunt.
What is blank?
But it's blunt.
Is blank.
Sharpen with the sharpener.
Sharp with the sharp.
Sharpness.
Sharpness.
Sharpen
Sharpen
with the
the
sharpener.
Sharpness.
sharpener.
Now it's sharp.
Is sharp.
Now it's not blunt.
Now it says blank.
Now it's not blunt.
Now we said not blank.
Okay. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's sing together. I like my pencil.
I like my pencil.
I like my pens.
I like my pencil. But this blunt, sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's
Satvika. Okay, now all of us together, we're going to sing it fast. Please put your hands down. It's not rhyme time now. Please put your hands down, everyone. Okay. I like my pencil. Fast, fast. I like my pencil, but it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Okay. We are going to start with a new rhyme. Honey bee rhyme. Ready? Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee.
Excuse me, ma'am. Little louder, ma'am.
I'm shouting. Is it not audible for others?
Yes,
Audible,
ma'am.
ma'am, but it was very low.
No, ma'am.
Is-
Very little, ma'am. Very low, ma'am.
Oh, very low. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Let me just check. Okay. Can you hear me now? No. The speaker is full in my. Yeah, Vishank. Okay. No, Janvi, you can't hear me.
Ma'am, it's now it is good, ma'am.
Now it's okay. Thank you, Janvi. Yeah. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Take it to the big hive. Then do your little jive. Then do your little jive. So what is a house? We call our house as home house, right? What is the house of honeybee? It's called bee hive. Hive. Very good. Yes. Okay. So tomorrow I'll show you the picture and we'll start singing from tomorrow. Okay. Just to start. So let's start with the concept, children. We have been learning about wild animals, domestic animals, and animals and their family. What is a male called as? What is a female called as? What is a boy lion called as? What is a girl lion called as? The baby names. Okay. Let's do a quick recap and then we'll start the new concept today. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. So this is called beehive. Can you see here, Satvika? The honey bee is going from one flower to another. It is collecting all the nectars, bringing it to the beehive. And here, from here we get honey. Okay, so this is beehive and this is honey bee. Now, deer. Deer. Baby deer is called fawn. And what is a girl deer called as? What is a girl deer called as? Anybody? Doe. Doe. Okay, D-O-E. So deer, doe, and then fawn. What about elephant? Elephant, baby is called as calf. Calf. Yes. Lion. Father lion is called as lion. Mother is called as lioness. Lioness. And the baby is called as cub. The baby is called as cub. Naitik. Naitik.
Yes, ma'am. Kavada. Deer.
Deer is it?
This is deer. Giraffe. Giraffe. Baby giraffe is called as
Calf.
calf. Very good. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
My favorite.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. I know that. That's why I'm showing you. Kangaroo. And what's the baby kangaroo called as? Joey. Okay. Done. Okay. And
Ma'am, Mrs. Thank you.
so we are done with revising part. So lion, lioness, cub. Tiger, tigress, cub. Then what did we learn? Deer, doe, fawn. Then anything else? I left.
Cow, bull, cow,
Very
calf.
good. Yes, cow, bull, and calf. Yes, anything else?
Hen, chicken.
Very good.
Cat,
Cock. Yes, good, Danvin. Cock,
cat,
hen, and
chicken.
chicken. And then man, woman, baby. Okay. So as I said, today we are going to revise a new concept: marine animals. What are marine animals?
Lives in water.
Yes, yes.
Live in water, ma'am.
All the water animals are called as marine animals. Okay. Let me share the screen. We'll quickly revise.
Marine animals.
Okay, marine animals. Karthikeyan, do you know any marine animal, Karthikeyan?
Fish, ma'am. Fish.
Fish. Okay, what else? Anything else other than fish?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay. Okay, thank you. Prajesh, one water animal.
Octopus.
Okay, octopus. Iron, one water animal.
Sea horse. Jellyfish.
Okay. Jellyfish, very good. Aiden, one water animal.
What one? Fish.
Yes, Karthikeyan. Fish. Okay. Aiden. Yes, starfish. Aiden.
Shark. Shark.
Shark. Okay, good, Karthikeyan. Aiden, can you tell me one water animal?
Shark.
Yes. So we are going to learn. Yes. Yes. So we are going to learn about the marine animals. That So here I have got few marine animals here. You already covered all the things: dolphin, crab, jellyfish, octopus, cuttlefish, seahorse, shark, stingray, whale. Okay, these are some of the marine animals, and I'm going to show you some other new marine animal which none of you have said. Are you ready to see that? This is called lobster. What is this called?
Shark.
Lobster. 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 Okay. It will be not. Yes, the lobster will have like this, like tentacles, like
Lobster.
crab, but it's very big. There are very big lobsters I have seen. So this picture is a little small. but lobster sometimes- Yes, lobster.
See, mom.
Okay, the next one, Siddharth. Siddharth, water snake. Snake. You all forgot about snake. Everybody said whale, dolphin. Then what is this? Whale. Okay. So why are you unmuted?
Ma'am.
Siddharth, give me a second, Siddharth. I want all of you to stay on mute except Siddharth. Aiden, please put your mics on mute. Aiden,
Yes.
please. It's becoming so noisy now. Yes, Siddharth, tell me, Siddharth.
Okay,
Ma'am, call Aiden.
Dolphin.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Dolphin.
Ma'am, for lobster, he's telling Scorpio that he wants to correct you, it seems, ma'am.
Okay, it's not scorpio, it's lobster. Okay, so it will be like, that's what it will, crab, lobster mari, crab and scorpion mari da irukum lobster, but that is not lobster. Lobster will be like sleeping like, crab will be like this, crab will be horizontally big, lobster will be straight like this, like a vertical one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's not scorpion, it's lobster. I'll show the picture of scorpion tomorrow. Did you see? That's what I showed you, crab here. Did you see crab? It will be like this, like a horizontally big. Do you see crab here, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
This is lobster, will be little orangish in color, orangish red in color. It will be vertically like a fish body. It will be, that's lobster. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Still you have any doubts,
Thank you, ma'am.
Siddharth? Clear?
No, ma'am.
You're not clear. Okay, what I'll do tomorrow, I'll get the picture of crab, lobster, scorpion. We'll compare all the three and find out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So some of the water animals you all said: dolphin, whale, shark, octopus, jellyfish, stingray, seahorse, then whale, normal fish, and then lobster. All these are marine animals. So today we are going to write a worksheet on marine animals. So I'll show you some animals. You're going to find out the marine animals. Ready, everyone? Shall we find out the marine animals? Everybody know right now marine animals. So just we'll repeat one more time. Lobster. Can you all repeat with me? Lobster, water snake, whale, dolphin, crab, jellyfish, octopus, cuttlefish, seahorse, shark, stingray, whale. Can you all start the worksheet? Please take out the worksheet. SR D61 WS01. Please take SR D61 CTWS01. Day 61 CT worksheet. Please write your name. I can see some of you still not writing your name in the homework worksheet and the classwork worksheet. Please get the habit of writing your name by yourself. Don't get help from your parents. We have come to senior KG, so we should know how to write our name. Okay? So please write your name, everyone. Let me see how many of you are writing your name. I'm going to stop presenting. I'm going to come and see each one of you. Okay, I can see Dikshin is writing, Farnaz is writing, Prajesh is writing, Jahnavi, Devkrish, Sailesh, Siddharth, Hashini, Karthikeyan. Yes, Nukshita. Nukshita, his video is off, so I was not able to see you. Okay, good. Come on, Zedi, we are in the class. Please don't lie down. Okay, answer today.
27.
Yes, today's date is 27. Yes, thank you. Today's date is 2/7/27. 2/7/27. Devkrish, what will be tomorrow, Devkrish? Devkrish,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be tomorrow? Today is 27. Tomorrow, after 26, 27? 25, 26, 27, after 27? Devkrish, 28. Is this 28?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow will be 28. And today is Friday. Today is Friday. What is today?
Monday.
Monday. So today is Monday. Irene, can you please put your mics on mute, Irene?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Okay, so today's date is, let me write here, right? 2/7/27 dot 9.21. 2/7/27 dot 9.21.
Mobile cake first cake.
Iron, please. Kind request, please put your mics on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
27. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so the first one, Aiden, please unmute Aiden. Others, I want all of you to stay on mute, please. Will you all help me? Please stay on mute, okay? Except Aiden, Michael.
Vicky, say
What
hi.
is the first animal? What is this first one?
Turtle.
Tete.
Turtle. And what is the next one?
Get up. No.
Whale.
Whale.
Whale. What is the next one?
Lobster.
Lobster. Don't get help, Aiden. Lobster. So the first one is turtle. Second one is whale. Third one is lobster. Lobster. Can you read the spelling for lobster? L.
Is spelling why chalo? Read the spelling.
L.
L. Param.
Yellow.
Da. 1 minute, ma'am. Reading. L.
Yellow. O.
Mm.
D.
Correct.
S. T. E. I.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Lobster. Lobster. Okay. So lobster is in blue color or orange color. What did you see here now?
What is the color?
Orange.
Yes. Please circle lobster then. Come on.
Okay.
Circle the lobster.
Yes.
Circle.
Done.
Param. Done.
Done. Circle.
Very good. Thank you, Aiden. Okay, Devarakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first one? Just jumping out of water. What is that?
What is this?
Starfish.
Is it starfish? It's dolphin, right? Jumping out of water. Dolphin.
Starfish.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay. What is the next one?
Black ball.
Say low, correct?
Black ball.
What is
Snake. Water snake. Okay. What is the next one? The red color. What is that?
Black.
Very good. Crab. Now we are going to circle only the water snake. So shall we circle the water snake?
You circle this. Water snake.
Circle the water snake. Very good, Devarakshita. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Next, let me call Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this first water animal?
Whale.
Well, what is the next one?
Cat. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle. Okay. And what is the next one?
Fish.
Fish. You know this fish name? Is that a name of fish?
Wow.
This one, the orange one. Is that a name of fish?
Fish.
Just a fish.
Name
Okay.
of fish, ma'am.
Name of fish. Have you seen that movie, Name of Fish? How many of you have seen that?
Clownfish.
Okay.
I'm clownfish.
Clownfish. Okay. Now we are going to circle the picture of whale. So which is whale? Blue whale. First one. Please circle whale. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Can you read the spelling, Vivan?
Whale.
W.
Spelling.
W.
W-H-A-L-E.
Whale. Okay. Vishank, can you read the spelling for snake? Snake here.
What a snake, ma'am?
Read the spelling for snake. Snake. S.
S N
Mm,
A
mm, mm.
A K E dot.
Okay, snake. Okay, what a snake. Okay, Sailesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Has everybody circled it? This worksheet? Okay, Sailesh, can you
Yes,
please
yes.
tell me 5 marine animals, Sailesh, whichever you know, 5. Any 5.
Tortoise.
Tortoise, no. Turtle.
Turtle. fish,
Mm.
and the whale, and dolphin, and crab.
Crab. Very good. Okay. Good. Very good. Janavi,
Yes, ma'am.
5 water animals. Any 5.
Turtle,
Mm. Look at your
water
worksheet.
snake,
Mm.
Nemo,
Okay. Look at your worksheet. Look at your worksheet. Worksheet patsalle.
lobster, turtle,
Very
blue lake, crab.
okay. Lobster and crab. Okay. Pranita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Good, Janvi. Very nice, Janvi. Pranita. 5 water animals, Pranita. Any 5 marine animals.
Dolphin,
Mm.
fish,
Mm.
whale,
Mm.
water snake,
Mm.
crab.
Crab. Good. Very good. Neha. Any 2 water animals is fine. Neha. 2 water animals. Any 2.
Water snake,
Water snake. Dolphin. Good. Naitik. Any 2 water animals, Naitik.
yes, ma'am.
Water animals. Correct.
Whale,
Mm.
water snake.
Water snake. Okay. So, what is the new marine animal we learned today? Everybody together. What is the new marine animal which we learned today? Starts with L. Lobster. Yes, lobster. Okay. Okay. So, lobster. Please keep your worksheet on and please stand up. Please stand up. Okay. So now, ma'am is going to say we are going to play the front and back game. For those who were absent last week, when ma'am says front, you're going to show me your face. When ma'am says back, you're going to jump and turn back. Ready? Everybody? Yes? Front and back. Okay? Listen to my instruction carefully. Okay? And those who do it wrong are out of the game. Okay, let me see how many of you are going to stay still. Ready? Back. Back. Dhanvin, back. Good, Karthikeyan. Good, Neha. Pranita, back. Zedi, come on, back. Back. Slowly, slowly, back. Okay. Front. 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 Good, Satvika. Front. Back. Back, back, back. 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 Front. Okay, now I'm going to say it very fast. You're going to listen to it carefully. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. 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 Don't move. Okay. Front. Back. 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 Janavi, I said back. Back. Front. 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 Back. Okay. Come to your place. Come to your place. So everybody know what is front and back? Everybody? Okay. So now we'll start the worksheet SR D61 empty worksheet. We are going to do this very fast. Okay. So we all know, right? We have 2 rods in the abacus, tens and ones. So we have 2 rooms. So last worksheet, what did we do? We counted the number of beads in the rod and we wrote here. Now we are going to do the opposite. Here we have the numbers. We are going to draw that many beads. So are you all ready with your pencils? Yes. Did you all write your name? Come on, please write your name in the worksheet. Write your name. Put today's date as 27.9.21.
Ma'am, D59, right?
61, sir.
Okay.
D61 empty worksheet. Tarnika finished writing? Name and date, Tarnika.
She's in restroom, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Harshini finished writing? Name and date. Okay, Harshini, what color shall we choose for drawing the beads?
And gray.
Gray. Okay, I've chosen gray now. Okay. So now, what is the number in tens room?
7.
7. So come on, draw 7. Which is the tens room? T-E-N-S or O-N-E-S? Which is tens room?
T.
T. So come on, let's draw 7 beads here. Draw 7 circles here. Small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to adjust here 7. Please draw 7 beads here.
Ma'am, I am done already.
I have done already. Okay, you have done. Okay, what about ones? Then help me. What about one's room? How many numbers are there in one's room? One. So draw only 1 bead here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harshini. Vihan.
Madam. Vihan.
And a tens room, what is the number in tens room, Vihan? T-E-N-S, tens. What is the number here?
71, ma'am.
No, that is done. Here, dear. I'm circling the next one. This one.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Let me make the signs
Yeah.
screen big.
What color? Vihan, first choose the color, Vihan. What color you want?
Color chappu.
Black.
Black. Okay, I've chosen black. Okay. Now tell me, what is the number here in tens room?
3, 4, 34.
3, 5.
3, 5, 35.
Tens plus
Okay.
10 chappu.
In tens, what is the number? 3.
Chappu.
Come on, draw 3 circles here. 1, 2, and 3. Done?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, and one's room, what is the number? One's room, what is the number?
5.
5. Come on, draw under one's rod, write 5 circles. 1, 2,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Very good. Farnas, good, Vihan. Tens room, what is the number here? Next one. Next question.
5.
Okay, come on, draw 5 beads and the 5 tens and 6 ones. Come on, draw 5 beads and under tens rod. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, under 6, how many ones? 6 ones. Come on, draw 6 beads. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6.
5, 6. Thank you, Farnas. Dikshan.
Welcome, ma'am.
Dikshan. Dikshan, are you there, Dikshan? Dikshan is not here. Okay. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What color shall we choose, Nukshita?
Red.
Red. Okay. Come on, tell me what is the number under tens room?
4.
4. Come on, quickly draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the number under one's room? One's room.
7.
7. Come on, quickly draw 7 under one's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7.
Good, Rakshita.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished? Okay. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number under tens, Satvika?
2.
2. Let's draw 2 circles. 1, 2. Under ones, what is the number under ones?
9.
9. Come on, let's draw 9. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Thank you, Satvika. Naitik.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik, what are the numbers and what is the number in tens room, Naitik? Next question.
4.
4. Okay, so let's draw 4 beats here. 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, 4.
What about ones room? What is the number?
4.
Okay, 1,
2, 3, 4.
4. Done, everyone.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Very good.
Ma'am, Jhanvi finished.
Very good, Janavi. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Okay, keep your worksheets down, everything down. Okay, I'm just going to show you some pictures. We are going to learn something. Then we can do the rest of the things. Okay, please keep everything down. We are going to learn good habits. Habit, balance all the way. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the things that makes you happy? What is the first picture? Aiden. What is the first picture?
The first picture Nanda. What is
What is
this?
the girl doing?
What is this girl doing? Singing, reading, and the Jaina.
Singing.
Singing, huh?
Singing.
First book.
Next.
First in the Jaina.
First time.
The Jaina. What is she doing? Singing or reading? Book reading ആണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ singing ആണോ? Singing എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാട്ട് പാടാം. Reading എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ book വായിക്കുക. ഏതാ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Reading.
Reading.
She's reading a book. Okay. What
Okay,
is the next
second one
one?
എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
What is it?
Boy.
എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്ന അവര്? What are they doing?
Are they sleeping? Are they sleeping? Let me ask like this. Are they sleeping? No. Sleeping. Are they sleeping? No. Are they eating?
Ma'am, can you show once again because we are not. Yeah.
Are they eating?
അവർ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കണം ഈറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ? No.
No.
Then
Are they
the-
dancing?
Dancing.
Yes, are dancing. Okay. Do you like dancing?
Dancing ഇഷ്ടമാണോ? Do you like
And yes.
Do you like singing?
singing?
Yes.
Yes. And what is the next girl doing? What is the next girl? Half cut. What is the next girl doing?
പറ.
Coloring, ma'am.
Coloring. What is she coloring? Is she coloring on a fruit?
Fruit ആണോ? എന്താ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്? എന്തിന്റെ പിക്ചർ അവിടെ ഉള്ളത്? എന്തിന്റെ പിക്ചറാ?
Flower.
Flower. Very good. So, how will Aiden be? Will Aiden be happy when he's dancing, or he'll be very sad? How will Aiden be when he's
ഡാൻസ്
dancing?
ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഹാപ്പി ആയിരിക്കും സാഡ് ആയിരിക്കും?
Happy.
Happy. When you're drawing and coloring, will you be happy or will you be sad?
Happy.
Happy. So you should do things that makes you happy. Okay, you should sing, you should dance, you should draw and paint.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Now next, Devarakshita.
Maggie.
What
What is she doing?
Eating.
Yes, eating. What is she eating, Devarakshita?
she's eating?
Fruit.
Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm just trying to find you. Okay.
Fruit.
She's eating. Okay. Yeah. She's having tumbler. She's eating salad and then I think it's sandwich or cake. Okay. Do you like eating, Devarakshita? You like eating? What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food? Your favorite food? Say
You
loudly.
like puri, dosa, chapati, sandwich. What do you like?
Fry.
Sorry,
French
one more
fries.
time. French fries. Oh, you like French fries. Okay. Janavi, tell me, Janavi.
I like biryani.
You like biryani. Okay. Okay. Karthikeyan.
Idli sambar.
Idli sambar. Okay. Now I'm asking you. Now I'm asking you, what are these children doing? What are these children doing? She is eating. After that, what are these children doing?
Cut the papers.
Yeah, they cut the paper. They are doing art and craft work. They're cutting, pasting,
and
like
craft.
you do craft, art and craft. Okay, art and craft. Do you like art and craft, Karthikeyan?
Yes.
Yes. You like to cut colorful papers, paste it, make something nice, right? Okay.
Yes.
So yes. So now these are the things which makes us happy, like singing, dancing, painting, eating, art and craft. Okay. Now we are going to see something which makes you fit. Tarnika, are you back?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first boy doing?
Skipping.
Skipping. The next one,
Cycling.
cycling, and the next one,
Playing.
playing. Okay, Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Out of these three, which one do you do, Danvin?
Cycling.
You do cycling. Okay. Iron. Are you there, Iron?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Out of these three things, what do you like to do? You like skipping, or you like cycling, or you like playing?
Playing.
You like playing. Okay. Nukshita,
Yes, ma'am.
do you exercise, Nukshita, daily?
Yes, ma'am.
What exercise do you do, Nukshita?
Cycling.
You do cycling. Okay. Zedi,
Yes, ma'am.
you know what are these children doing? The boy and the girl? That's called hiking. Can you say hike? Hiking. Hiking. You know, when people climb over mountains, they go on a trekking and climb over the mountain.
Hiking.
That's called hiking. What is that called?
Hiking.
Hiking. Okay.
Hiking.
Hiking.
Vivan, among these things, what do? You do hiking, skipping, cycling, playing. What do you do?
Playing.
Hmm.
Playing.
Only playing.
Yeah.
No cycling. You don't cycle. I mean, you don't ride a cycle.
I want to cycle.
You know how to do. You know how to ride a cycle.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm doing cycle.
Okay. You know to ride cycles, Eddie.
Yes.
Okay. So what we should do? We should all do either play. We should do either play. We should do cycling, or we do skipping, or we go climb a mountain, or we should do exercise to keep us fit. Now the next picture, Pranita.
What is this?
Pranita,
It's not eating.
I want all of us others to please stay on mute except Pranita, please. Can I ask all of you to please stay on mute? Please check your mic. Please check your mic and please mute your mic. Aiden,
Yes.
can you please put your mics on mute? Thank you. Thank you so much. Pranita, are you there, Pranita? No, Pranita is not there. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rohita, what is this uncle doing?
Eating.
Eating. What is he eating?
No.
What is that? It's pasta. It's pasta, okay? He likes pasta, so he's eating lot of pasta. Is that correct, Rohita? Can we eat lot of pasta like this?
No. Yes.
No. Yes? Who is saying yes? Who is saying yes to you, Rohita? No. Even if you like
No,
pasta.
ma'am, I'm not right, ma'am. No, ma'am. I am not right, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
JD also saying yes.
That's what I heard somebody saying me. Yes, I don't know who said no. Even if you like the junk foods, French fries, pasta, noodles, you should not eat like this lot like this. That's very bad. What this uncle is doing is very bad. We should not do that. Okay? We should eat only, even if you like junk foods, if you want to eat sometime monthly, twice, or once in a month, you can eat very little, not like this huge one. Okay, just because you like that food, you cannot eat lot more, even if it's a healthy food also. So what I'm trying to say here is, you want to eat the food that are healthy food. Second, if you would like to eat junk food at times, you should eat only very less like this boy, not like this uncle having a big plate and eating a lot of pasta, noodles, or French fries. Okay, so even if we like food, we should eat it in a moderate way, balance it like that. Okay, who's that unmuting? It's so noisy for me. Rohita, please stay on, ma'am. Put your mics on mute, Rohita. Thank you. So when we eat foods, we are going to balance our food and eat it, not dumping everything. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do 3 things now. One, we are going to do things which makes us happy, like singing, dancing, drawing, eating, and art and craft. We are also going to do something which makes us fit and healthy. What? We are going to do playing, cycling, exercise, hiking, skipping. And while eating food, we are going to eat very less junk foods. Keep it very little. Rather than eating a lot more junk foods, keep it very little and eat healthy foods lot. So these things will make us happy. Okay. So Sailesh, can you tell me some of the things that can make us happy, Sailesh?
What will it make you happy?
Playing. Cycling.
What will make you happy?
What makes you happy? You. When will you be happy?
Cycling.
Okay, you'll be happy when you do a cycling.
And coloring.
Okay.
And going to my old school.
Okay. Vishank. Vishank, what makes you happy, Vishank?
Playing, coloring, drawing, cycling, and talking very much.
Okay, that makes you happy. Very good. Keep doing that, Prajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
What makes you happy, Prajesh?
Drawing, coloring,
Okay.
Cycling.
You know, try to cycle? You know, try
Healthy
to cycle?
foods.
Eating healthy foods makes you happy, Prajesh, okay? That's it?
Yes.
Okay, Pranita.
Ma'am.
Pranita, what makes you happy, Pranita? Pranita, எப்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கா?
Cycling.
Playing, sister.
Playing.
Okay, cycling, playing, then okay, Kavyani, when Kavyani will be happy?
Cycling, drawing, playing, chocolating.
Okay. Thank you, Kavyayani. Okay, Neha, when will you be happy, Neha? Karthikeyan, when will you be happy, Karthikeyan? Wait, you're on mute. I can't hear you, Karthikeyan.
Singing, I'm singing.
Singing, you like to sing?
Yes.
Okay, practice some song and sing it for us one day in the class, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Done, okay. So, a quick recap. Kavyayani is going to help me for the recap. Kavyayani, what did we learn today, Kavyayani?
STM வேற நடிக்கும்ல.
Kavyayani, what did we learn today, Kavyayani?
STM வேற நடிக்கும்ல. அது வந்து நம்ம வந்து இந்த கமர்ஷியல் மாடல்
Marine animal.
Marine animals. Can you name it 5 marine animals?
போகும்ல.
Shark.
ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Crab.
அந்த டெக்னோட அப்ரூவல் வந்து இதுல
Fish.
ஆமா.
Loudly.
Fish. Octopus. Next. Jellyfish. Shark.
That's it. Good, Kavyayani. Okay. So today we learnt about marine animals. Then we revised tens and ones. Karthikeyan, you want to say? Okay, I'll give a chance. Then we learned what is good. How do we balance and keep us happy? Yes, Karthikeyan, tell me. What do you want to say?
Any song, ma'am. Any songs.
Any songs you sing, you'll be happy.
Yes,
You're asking me?
What song? Yes. What
You're asking,
song?
you can sing any song. Any song which
Any
you like.
song.
That makes you happy. Any song that makes you
You
happy.
like my song? What do you?
It's your choice, okay?
That's it. I sing one.
You want to sing now?
Maranda. Yes.
Come on. Sing it.
மறந்தாயே பெண்ணை என்னை ஏன் மறந்தாய் கலந்தே நான் மறந்தாயே யாரோ என்று ஏன் கலந்தாய் கலந்தே நான் உன்னை நான் யார் மறதியா அவதியா சகதியா நீடல் எல்லாம் பொய்யா ஆனால் நீயா ஜனனமா சரணமா மரணமா தனியாய்தால் வாழ்ந்தேனே வாழ்நாள் நீ யானா துணி நேல பட்டேனே காணாமல் போனை யாரதி வாழவோ காரணம் கூடதி வாழவோ. Thank you, ma.
Wow, Karthikeyan, I never knew that you sing. Can you all give a big round of clap? Wow, Karthikeyan. See, all your friends started clapping for you with this, before me telling them. Very good, Karthikeyan.
Thank you, friends.
How did you learn such lyrics, Karthikeyan? Who taught you? यार सोली को oh
Ma'am, JD, ma'am.
okay, give me a minute, Sadie. Okay, is that from any movie?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I don't
JD.
know, but very nice. You have,
JD and then JD.
give me others, please mute when I'm talking. Okay, very good. Teddy, yeah.
Teddy, ma'am.
Teddy, oh, Teddy movie. Okay. Very nice, Karthikeyan. Such a difficult lyrics, words you have used. Very good. And the modulation also, you've got it very nice, Karthikeyan. Good job. Keep it up. I don't have anything right now to give it to you. I want to give a big virtual hug, Karthikeyan. Can you please hug me? How will you hug? Yay. Very good, Karthikeyan. Fantastic. Yes, Zadie. Tell me, Zadie. What do you want to say?
Singing, ma'am.
Singing. Everybody start singing. Okay, tomorrow when you join the class. Okay? Yes? Sure. Okay. So,
Nail, ma'am. Cut your nail, ma'am.
Oh, cut your nails. Oh, you are reminding me now. Okay, did you all cut your nails? If not, when we join class tomorrow, as soon as we join, I'll check all your fingers. Okay. So those who have not cut your nails, please cut your nails and come tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for reminding me, Zadie. I'll just check them tomorrow. Okay, on Tuesday. Okay. Thank you so much. So before winding the class today, please complete the English cursive letters. I think these are pretty simple today. We have only D, H, L, T. Those which are already written. Okay, anybody if is having any issue in writing cursing letters, stay back. Others can just leave. And I want all the homeworks positively this week. The 2 homeworks. One, the spray painting. The second one, writing your name with cursive. Got it? Will you all do that homework and send it to me? Yes, Devkrish?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, thank you so much. Any questions, you can stay back.
Okay.
Others can leave the class. Thank you and bye-bye.